Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, the 30th of November, and we are here now at the Samal side of the Samal Island Davao City Connector project. Here you can see the bridge, how it will look like, hopefully soon. This is the Davao City end, the connection of GP Laurel a Castillo. That's the actual bridge, high enough for the container ship to pass through. And this is the end here in Samal Island, which is going to be here. They will build a roundabout. So let's see how far they are progressing. And then I give you an overlook about the work. Here you can see a lot. These are the concrete poles now under construction. Wow, that looks good. And over there is the can even see Mount Apo in the background, and there's the skyline of Davao City. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a nice day, and we look up into the sky. Bye bye.